How can you make the old iPhone layout and apps look the same on a new iPhone? So let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, the ideal case is that whenever you get a new phone, right, you open up the box, you get it ready, and then before or during the process of setting it up, you have your phone, the old one, right next to it. Because during the setup process on the new iPhone, you'll be prompted to either start fresh or transfer all of the information from the old iPhone, which is actually very useful because all of the things which you have in mind, like the app layout and your data, your photos, contacts, whatever, will be automatically transferred to the new iPhone. As I said, you need to have it nearby because otherwise you're not going to get the pop-up and you will not be able to do it later, right? We can only do it at the setup process because if you just set up your iPhone from the start, fresh without any like transferring, then you will start to see like your normal iPhone, whatever, and you'll be able to re-download your apps manually again and no problem, but you will then manually you will be required to like manually sort and organize your apps, and it will not be able to be transferred just like that with the click of a button. So that is how I would do it. In case you already set up your iPhone and it's still empty, you can as well just erase it again and start again from fresh start, right? So that would be able to just like redo it again, but hopefully it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to find it. So yeah, just to recap, the point is that we need to do it at the setup process of the iPhone where you transfer all of the data from the old one and everything, including the layout, will be moved over there as well. So let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.